All right, so now we are going to employ all the retouching tools and every knowledge that we've learned so far. So to get result like looking like this, from this you can see, let me zoom in, you can see, just take a look at the air right here, it's gone. So you get the technique they use. Yeah, the lasso technique, the air right here, the lasso technique is what they use. You can see. Now the next thing, what did you notice? You notice that the lighting up the image, what technique is that? They use the solid color technique I talked about, which is the adjustment layer using the divide tool. What other things did they do? They didn't blend the skin tones, so they left the image natural. You can see that they left it natural. There's no adjustment of the skin tone. So let's do something with this image. First of all, let's try and increase the brightness of the image. I'm going to go ahead and grab the solid color for that. It's okay, turn it off, double click. You don't have to do this step, so just select the eyes, which is supposed to be white. I'm going to select that color and it's okay. Already I know the color in the background, so I can just go ahead and use the selective color. But for everyone who don't know the color, let's just continue. I'm going to turn it back on, change the blend mode to divide. Now it's very, very bright. You go inside again and increase it all the way up like this, and it's okay. So we have before and after. Now if I want to keep the color, it's left for me to go inside and choose the saturation and maybe take it up or take it down, and you're going to come up with your colors the way it is. And you can go back to the brightness and bring it down a little to brighten up the image. So let's say we want it like this, it's okay. Just don't forget the step though. Create a stem visible layer, Ctrl Shift alternate E, and delete this one. So we have from here to here, we've brightened up the image a little bit. Now let's remove the air. Grab this, select like this. Let's just remove this one that's not pleasing. Then use the clone stamp tool, select outside, make it smaller, select outside, select outside. Oh come on, what is it? This spot healing. Okay, spot healing tool, the clone stamp tool, select outside and paint. Like that. Ctrl D to deselect. It's very rough here. You can select again. I'm not trying to make it perfect, so just select the clone stamp tool, Alt, select outside and leave it. Ctrl D to deselect. That's gone. For this one I'm going to do the same. Select this one and let's go, and like this. Select the clone stamp tool, select outside, Alt, select outside and dance around, select outside, dance around, select outside, dance around, like that. And that's that for that. Ctrl D to deselect. We just worked on the air. You can also do for the face. Just grab this and do it like this. Use the patch tool instead. So let's use the patch tool and then drag it outside and leave it. So that will be gone. All right, so now let's work on the colors. Doing that, we are going to choose the hue and saturation adjustment. Remember, pick any color. I'm going to choose this place, and it's supposed to have a touch of green. So of course yellow, there are greens in yellow plus I think red is going to give you green plus red is going to give you yellow. So don't bother yourself when you see this type of greenish yellow, and for that it's going to give you, you can see yellow close to green, red plus this green is giving you that yellow shade. So take it up, and now we're going to select just the yellow alone because that's where I want to correct. So we can take it all the way up. Now the moment your eye when you look and you see that the colors are the colors remaining are the same, just leave it like that. So that's when you know when to stop. When the colors are the same, you can take this one up a little bit. Yep, something like that. All right, so now what you need to do is to return this backwards, and after that, what you need to do, bring some red to it, so like this. So let's zoom in. You can see that the yellow shade is gone and we have the red. And also you can decrease the saturation to make it look the same with the other part of the skin, not too much, just like 15 should be fine. And that is enough. This is 33, so take it forward a bit, like 28. I don't like doing things more than 30. So now we can see that the ones on this place are it has changed the makeup, the color of the makeup, so you're going to hide it from those places. So select your normal brush and paint. Make sure the foreground color is black. I'm going to increase the flow to the fullest, and I'm going to paint over to bring back those colors to the face and this place as well, and this one and this one. So I don't want anything else to change. I just want just the color of our skin to change. Now it's time to work on the method which I was talking about, frequency separation.